All right, let's just dive right in. Welcome to today's explainer, where we're going to unlock the absolute biggest thing standing between you and your ultimate goals. We are looking at Cameron Bailey's truly transformative book, Confidence is Key, practical exercises for developing and strengthening your self-confidence. Listen, if you've ever felt held back by self-doubt, or maybe you just want to, level up your mindset, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're going to walk through the practical, actionable exercises Bailey lays out to help you build some truly unshakable self-worth.
So we're unpacking what's honestly the ultimate authority on self-confidence today. This isn't just fluffy theory, and it's definitely not empty hype. It's a comprehensive, totally field-tested guide packed with the actual tools you need to rewire your mindset and crush those goals.
Section 1. The Power of Self-Confidence.
Okay, I really want you to focus on that keyword right there, judgment. Self-confidence is simply a belief in your own abilities, your own qualities, and your own judgment. And honestly, here's the absolute best news you're going to hear today. You are not just born with it or without it. Bailey makes it crystal clear confidence is a totally learnable skill. It's basically a muscle you can build up over time simply by practicing trusting yourself.
Now that internal muscle, it's deeply tied to your self-esteem and self-worth. Think of self-esteem as kind of your overall grade of yourself. If you possess a high sense of inherent self-worth, your self-esteem naturally rises. And because of that, your self-confidence completely soars. This directly impacts everything. I mean everything, from your personal relationships to your decision-making to how resilient you are when life throws those inevitable curveballs your way.
Section 2. Identifying your confidence blocks.
So, Bailey outlines a few major confidence blocks that trip us up: negative self-talk, past failures, and obviously the sting of criticism. But check out that fourth point: unfairly comparing yourself to others. Comparing your gritty, behind-the-scenes struggles to someone else's polished highlight reel is literally comparing apples to oranges. You have completely different circumstances. Doing that just distracts you from your own growth and fundamentally stifles your unique creativity.
Section 3. Practical Steps for Growth. If you find this analysis valuable, please like and subscribe to Knowledge Lighthouse to help us bring more truths to light.
All right, let's get back into Bailey's incredibly practical method for just destroying negative self-talk. It's a really straightforward 4-step process. First off, identify the negative thought. Catch yourself right in the act when you think, I'm a failure. Second, put it on trial. Look at the evidence. You'll usually find you literally have none. Third, challenge those annoying thinking errors, like that toxic all-or-nothing mentality. And finally, reframe it. So instead of, I'm a failure, try saying, okay, I made a mistake, but I'm learning and improving. It's all about grounding that self-talk in actual reality.
To actually turn those thoughts into action, Bailey is huge on setting specific, measurable goals. Don't just vaguely say, hey, I want to be more confident. Say, I'm going to speak up in my status meeting on Tuesday. Doing that naturally leads to taking calculated risks, step outside that comfort zone, even if it's just a tiny bit. By taking those small risks, you start stacking up small wins, and man, that rapidly builds your confidence muscle. Couple that with a daily gratitude practice and wrapping yourself in positive people who push you to be your best, you've got an absolute recipe for immense growth.
Section 4. Bouncing Back from Setbacks. Now, this is exactly how highly confident people look at failure. They do not see a mistake as some grand reflection of their personal worth. No way. They see it as a totally crucial learning opportunity. When a setback hits, first things first, do not dwell on it. Second, analyze the root cause as objectively as you can. Third, extract the positive lesson, like what can you actually learn from this? And fourth, take immediate action on your new goals. By tweaking your trajectory and just moving forward, you literally take the power away from the failure and put it right back in your own hands.
Section 5. Discovering your inner confidence.
This comparison is just so vital to understand. External confidence, it's fragile. It's built on possessions, accomplishments, or needing the approval of other people. And if you lose those things, boom, you lose your confidence. Inner confidence, though, that is rooted entirely in your own self-worth, your self-awareness, and your self-acceptance. It doesn't care about the opinions of others. It's that really deep trust in yourself that just stays steady no matter what kind of external chaos is swirling around you.
So how do we actually find this inner state? Well, you cultivate it by fiercely committing to 4 daily practices: truly understanding your core values, prioritizing your physical and emotional self-care, and honestly, most importantly, embracing your imperfections. Newsflash, you're not perfect. And hey, that is perfectly fine. Treat yourself with the exact same grace and kindness you'd instantly offer a good friend who just messed up.
Section 6. Master your confidence today.
I really want to leave you with a provocative thought here. Take a hard look at your own life right now, in this exact moment. What is the absolute biggest block holding your confidence back today? Identify it, challenge it head-on, and use the tools we've just talked about to overcome it.
And listen, if you are truly serious about mastering this, you really need the right tools right there at your fingertips. There is incredible, tangible value in owning a high-quality physical copy of this guide. Having the actual book sitting on your desk or your nightstand, it keeps you accountable on your journey. It lets you highlight, take notes, and easily flip back to these exercises whenever that sneaky self-doubt tries to creep back in.
For the complete deep dive, own the paperback. Get your high-quality paperback edition on Amazon via the link in the description. Add it to your collection today. Please share this explainer and check the description for more.